Therefore, the truth value of the given compound statement. Therefore, the truth value of the given compound statement is. Now next line. Therefore, the truth value. Next line. Therefore, the truth value. Therefore, the truth value. Therefore, the truth value of a given compound statement is. Therefore, the truth value of a given compound statement is true. That means T. Why it is true? Since we know that the symbolic form of that given statement is what? If P then Q, means it is what? Conditional statement. Therefore we know its symbolic form. This statement is P, this statement is Q, therefore its symbolic form what have? We know that symbolic form. Since the symbolic form of the given statement, since the symbolic form of the given statement symbolic form what have? P implies Q. Since the symbolic form of given statement is P implies Q because it is conditional statement, and we know that truth value of P is T and truth value of Q is T. It means equal to P implies T, and we know that what? We know that in conditional statement, first statement is true, second statement is also true, therefore whole conditional statement is true. Therefore we say that here the truth value of a given compound statement is T. Given compound statement is T. Now take next example. Related to conditional statement. Here next example is that similarly this only change in second statement. What? If Rome is in Italy, then Paris is not in France. Then Paris is not in France. Here question what I have? Write the truth value of the following statement. Here first we observe that what we observe that this whole statement is compound statement. Why it is compound statement? Because there is two simple statements are connected by logical operator if then. Here logical operator if then. Therefore if P it means this first statement, then Q it means this second statement. Means in that compound statement there are two simple statements. First one is Rome is in Italy, second one is Paris is in France. Therefore first here our aim is to find the truth value of whole these compound statement. Before that first we will find the truth value of that simple statement P. Then next we will find the truth value of that second simple statement Q, and then after that here first what? Let solution. First let P denote. Let P be the statement that Rome is in Italy. And let Q denote, and let here, and let Q denotes second statement. Paris is not in France. Paris is not in France. Paris is not in France. These two statements P are Q. Here this P simple statement, this also Q simple statement. Now here the statement P is true. Here the statement P is true. Here why true? Because we know that Rome is in Italy. Therefore here the statement P is true. And therefore its truth value is T. And therefore its truth value its truth value is t. Similarly the statement q, similarly here q statement what have Paris is not in France, this is false statement. Similarly here the statement q is false. Here the statement q is false, and therefore its truth value is false, and therefore its truth value is false, that is yup. ठीक है. First statement what? First simple statement, Rome is in Italy. We know that Rome is in Italy, therefore here the statement P is true, and therefore its truth value is T. Now next statement what? Q. Whatever is Q statement, Paris is not in France. Here the statement Q is false. This statement is false, therefore its truth value is yup. ठीक है. And therefore first line, therefore the truth value of a given compound statement is what? And therefore last line here I write, therefore the truth value of a given compound statement is what? False. Why false? I will explain here. Therefore the truth value of a given compound statement is, therefore the truth value of a given compound statement is what? False. Given compound statement is false. ठीक है. Therefore we say that therefore the truth value of a given compound statement is false. Why false? Its reason I will write in next line. ठीक है. Why false? Because since, here I will write its reason. Since what do you know that? Since the symbolic form of a given statement is what? Since the symbolic form of a given compound statement is, symbolic form of a given compound statement is, symbolic form क्या है? If P then Q. Symbolic form what have here? P implies Q, and which is equal to statement P is true. That implies here statement Q is false. Therefore, and we know that in conditional statement, first statement is true and second statement is false, then whole conditional statement is false. That's why here we say the truth value of a given compound statement is false. It means first question what have? Write the truth value of a following statement what over there? If Rome is in Italy, then Paris is not in France. First we observe that the given statement is compound statement because here two simple statements are connected by logical operator if then. Therefore first what I do, first I take this statement as P and this statement as Q. Then I find truth value of that statement. Then next I find truth value of that statement. Two statement truth value we get. Then I write last directly. Therefore the truth value of a given statement is false. Why false? Because here reason I write, since the symbolic form of a given compound statement is, symbolic form काय येणार? If then म्हणजे काय? If P then Q म्हणजे conditional statement. Therefore the symbolic form of a given statement is P implies Q, and truth value of P we find out, and Similarly, true value of q also we find out these false, and we know that in conditional statement first statement is true and second statement is false. It becomes conditional statement is false. P implies q म्हणजे काय this statement and this false, therefore we say that whole this statement is false. Whole this statement is false. Now next operator. Now take next operator. Now next operator. Now take next operator biconditional. Now next operator is biconditional. Now next operator, next logical operator biconditional statement. Biconditional statement. Second biconditional statement, its symbol is double implication. These or these. This what are second biconditional statement. Definition what? Suppose we have two simple statements P and Q. Suppose we have two simple statements P and Q. If we connect these two simple statements by the group of words if and only if. Group of words if and only if. ठीक है? Suppose we have two simple statements P and Q. These two simple statements, if we connect by the group of words if and only, then the resulting compound statement, P if and only if Q, then the resulting compound statement P if and only if Q is called the biconditional statement of P and Q, and it can be written in the symbolic form P if and only Q. ठीक है? डेफिनेशन काय होती? कंडिशनल स्टेटमेंट. Suppose we have any two simple statements P and Q. If we connect these two simple statements by the group of words if and only if, then the resulting compound statement is what? P if and only if Q. And this resulting compound statement P if and only if Q is called the biconditional statement of P and Q, and it can be written in the symbolic form as P if and only if Q. Now for example, we want two simple statement. First I take two simple statements. Suppose I take, let P be the statement that milk is white. First this P is simple statement. Similarly I take second simple statement Q, what? Sky is blue. If I take sky is blue. These are two simple statement. First I take two simple statement. First one is P, second one is Q. P what have? Milk is white, and second statement Q is sky is blue. Okay. Then these two are simple statement. If we connect these simple two statements P and Q by the group of words if and only if. Okay. If we connect these two simple statements by the group of words if and only if, then the resulting compound statement P if and only if Q is called the biconditional statement of P and Q. Therefore, it's a biconditional statement. Then these two simple statements. Then the biconditional statement of P and Q. P symbolic form P if and only Q. Statement का है P. Milk is white. If and only this symbol biconditional means if and only if. Second Q statement is sky is blue. This is the required biconditional statement of that simple two statements. Example काय होतं, let P denotes milk is white, Q denotes sky is blue. These two are simple statement. We connect these two simple statement by the group of words if and only if. Then we get a biconditional statement of that simple statement. P if and only Q. Now next truth table for biconditional statement. Truth table for biconditional statement. P here Q. Then biconditional P if and only Q. P if and only Q. Truth table for biconditional statement we need two statements. First one P, second one Q. And we know that for any statements P, for any statement P there is only two possible truth value T and F. म्हणजे काय, P साठी दोन ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू असतील, सिमिलरली Q साठी दोन ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू असतील, म्हणजे टोटल दोघांच्या ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू किती होतात, 2 + 2 4. देअरफॉर इन दिस फर्स्ट कॉलम आय टेक हियर T, then write F. Then next in that second column here first value T, second value false, then T, then false. Then the P and Q, these are two simple statements. Then the biconditional of that these two statements truth value if both the substatements of biconditional statements are true, then biconditional true, otherwise it is false. Sorry, here also true. Then next TF false, these are also false. PQ are any two simple statement, then it's biconditional. P implies or P if and only if Q. Here in biconditional, if both the substatements are true or both the substatements are false, then that time only this conditional statement is true, otherwise it is false. It means in biconditional statement both the substatements truth value same, म्हणजे काय दोघांची ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू सेम असेल तर ते डायरेक्टली ट्रू होते, अदरवाईज इट इज फॉल्स. म्हणजे काय, फर्स्ट ट्रू पाहिजे, हा पण ट्रू असेल तर आपण बायकंडिशनल ट्रू घेऊ शकतो. अँड फर्स्ट फॉल्स आहे, सेकंड फॉल्स आहे, तेव्हा सुद्धा आपण ते ट्रू घेणार. म्हणजेच काय, दोन सिम्पल स्टेटमेंटच्या ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू सेम आल्या तर आपण म्हणू शकतो बायकंडिशनल स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू, अदरवाईज इट इज फॉल्स. This is the truth table for biconditional statement. Now take example. Now next take example based on biconditional statement. Example number first. Find the truth value of the following statement. Find the truth value of the following statement. ठीक आहे. Find the truth value of the following statement. First statement, the sun rises in the east if and only if 4 + 3 = 7. Question what? Find the truth value of the following statement. Statement what are here? The sun rises in the east. Sun rises in the east. If and only if 4 + 3 which is equal to 7. 4 + 3 which is equal to 7. Question what? Find the truth value of the following statement. Statement what are here? The sun rises in the east if and only 4 + 3 = 7. We have to find the truth value of that statement. We observe that here logical operator is if and only if. Therefore logical operator is if and only if. Therefore we observe that this given statement is compound statement. Here we observe that this given statement is compound statement because here logical operator is if and only if, and here there are two simple statements. First one is the sun rises in the east, that statement P. The second one is 4 + 3 = 7, this statement number second. And we have to find the truth value of that given compound statement. Therefore in solution, first let P denote first statement. Which one? The sun rises in the east. Let P denote the sun rises in the east. and let q denotes 4 plus 3 equal to 7. 4 plus 3 which is equal to 7. Here next about here the statement P is true or false. Here the statement is obviously true. We know that sun rises always in east not in west. ठीक आहे, म्हणजे काय होणार, स्टेटमेंट P is true. Here the statement P is true. Statement P is true and therefore its truth value is T. Here the statement P is true and therefore its truth value is T. Similarly the statement Q 4 plus 3 7, it means second. Here the statement Q is also true and its truth value is T. ठीक आहे, फर्स्ट काय केलं आपण, लेट P इक्वल टू फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट कन्सिडर केलं, देन नेक्स्ट सेकंड Q 4 plus 3 equal to 7 हे सेकंड स्टेटमेंट कन्सिडर केलं. त्यानंतर वी ऑब्झर्व दॅट स्टेटमेंट P इज ट्रू, ऑब्वियसली इट इज ट्रू, देअरफॉर इट्स ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू इज T. देन नेक्स्ट सेकंड स्टेटमेंट 4 plus 3 which is equal to 7, this statement is also obviously true. ठीक आहे, this is also true, therefore we say that the truth value of a given compound statement is what? True. Why true? We will write. Therefore the truth value of a given compound statement is what? True. T. Why it is T? Since the symbolic form of a given compound statement, symbolic form काय आहे इथं, लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर कोणता, if and only if this P statement, this Q statement, this logical operator, if and only if, therefore its symbolic form, since the symbolic form of a given compound statement is, the symbolic form काय असणार, लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर if and only this statement P, this statement Q, therefore its symbolic form P if and only if Q. काय झाला, symbolic form of a given compound statement, and we know that the truth value of a statement P is T if and only the truth value of a statement Q, this is also T. And we know that in biconditional statement both these substatements are true, then the biconditional statement is true, therefore P if and only Q, this statement same as this statement, because we consider P as the sun rises in the east and Q we consider 4 plus 3 equal to 7, and we know that this if and only is the symbol for that, therefore this statement and this statement is same, and this statement truth value is T. Therefore we say that the truth value of a given compound statement is T. Truth value of a given compound statement is T. Now next example. Now take next example. ठीक है,